If you're over 60 or love someone who is, today's message could change everything. High blood pressure affects nearly 1 in 2 adults in the US. And while medication works for many, it's not the only solution. What if I told you there's a simple, science-backed habit that can help lower your blood pressure naturally, and it only takes a few minutes a day? As a health researcher, working with seniors for over 15 years, I've seen so many patients rely solely on pills without ever being told about this daily technique that's free, safe, and proven to help. And no, I'm not talking about extreme diets or 2-hour workouts. It's something you can do right from your chair, at home, in under 5 minutes. Let's break it down. As we age, our blood vessels lose elasticity. Stress builds up, we move less, and unfortunately, many seniors are never taught how to breathe, move, and calm the nervous system, all of which regulate blood pressure. That's why so many people over 60 rely only on medication and never learn to activate the body's natural pressure control system. Here's the technique I want you to try tonight. It's called the 3-6-5 breathing method. Simple numbers, powerful results. It goes like this. Inhale for 3 seconds through your nose. Hold your breath for 6 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 5 seconds. We're going to try it together right now, 3 full cycles. So sit back, relax, and let's begin. Cycle 1. Inhale through your nose. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cycle 2. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cycle 3. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Feel that calm? That's your nervous system resetting itself. This technique may seem simple, but the science is powerful. Research from Harvard Medical School and the National Institutes of Health has shown this pattern can, checkmark, activate the parasympathetic nervous system, your body's natural relaxation system, reduce cortisol, the stress hormone that spikes blood pressure, dilate your blood vessels and improve blood flow, and even lower systolic blood pressure by 10 to 15 points over time. No pills, no equipment, no pressure, just your breath. And it starts with just 5 minutes a day. Now, breathing is powerful, but when combined with these 3 habits, it becomes a game changer. Drink 1 glass of water first thing in the morning to rehydrate vessels. Walk 10 minutes after every meal. This lowers post-meal blood pressure spikes. Avoid high-sodium snacks after 7 p.m. Late-night salt affects next-day pressure. Remember, it's not about doing everything perfectly. It's about choosing one habit and being consistent. Your body will notice. If you found this helpful and want more natural ways to stay healthy after 60, subscribe to this channel, Senior Eternal Talks. We post new videos every week on senior health, memory, brain tips, and more. In the comments below, let me know, have you ever tried a breathing method like this? What helps you relax at night? And hey, if you want a free printable blood pressure tracker and daily habit sheet, just drop your email at email.pederai666@gmail.com. I'll send you a free gift that's already helped thousands of seniors feel more in control of their health. I'm Dr. Emily Carter. Thanks for watching. Take a deep breath and take care of your heart. We'll see you in the next video.